welcome to my CVS haul. So CVS to me was not a great week. I was excited. So I was working on my breakdowns last night, and then I'm like, okay, hopefully I can get some good CRTs. I did get some, I've been getting awesome CRTs, but just nothing that I could work with, or nothing that, the CRTs that I did have, there's no deal with them. And it was just like, oh man, I wanted to do some of these deals, and I couldn't. So I ended up getting just a couple things. Not a lot, but you know, CVS is kind of slow for me, but I have so much extra care bucks, it's ridiculous. I mean, I've never had this much. If I add it up, I probably have like 70 bucks, because I've never had that much in years. I haven't. But anyways, let's just dig in so I can share with you guys my store. They're super low staffed or whatever. They had one employee working, and he ended up taking all the tags down from yesterday because he was by himself all day yesterday with no help. So he had no help to take down the tags or put the tags up. So he was in the aisles taking tags down, and I decided to help him. So I ended up going to the toothpaste aisle. I pulled everything and I handed him like this big chunk. I'm like, there you go, I helped you. He's like, oh sweet. But yeah, so nothing was tagged. I had to, you know, but that's fine. That's fine. I like to help. I find that stuff awesome. So this week's freebie is popcorn. Now you guys want to scan a bunch of stuff. You don't have to get just that normal popcorn. I ended up scanning the cheese and the cheddar one, and that one worked. But then I saw the cashew caramel crunch. This sounded like it tastes delicious. So I ended up getting this one instead. So this was originally $3.99. With that coupon you get it for free. So you do have to clip that to your card, but that is a great deal for that. I've been craving some Nutter Butters because we have so much Oreos, it's ridiculous. But these are on sale for $1. You guys want to use a 75-cent off a 2 insert coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. My clipboard's upside down. You end up getting this for $1.25, so 62 cents each. It was a great deal. I mean, these are great for like little road trips and stuff. We're going on a road trip at next month, so it'd be great to have some of that stuff. I ended up getting this thing. I think they're just trying to do this deal over and over again because they have so many that they're trying to get rid of. My store had these marked at $11.49, but they're actually on sale for $9.99. You'd pay $9.99 for them, but then you get a $9 extra care buck back, making this just 99 cents. So if you guys need some spray, some disinfectant, I feel like my thing is broken. So I ended up doing that one. I got some extra gum. These were on sale for 99 cents. There is currently a 50-cent off a 2 printable coupon that you guys want to use. You end up paying just $1.48 or 74 cents a piece. So if you guys need some gum. I was hungry. You should never shop while hungry. So I ended up buying 2 of these for $1.50. So I was like, okay, this is like my store. A lot of stuff's like empty. The makeup aisle, especially CoverGirl, just looks like it's been murdered. There's like nothing there. The displays are falling apart, so I don't know if they're trying to do a new set or something. So anyways, I was gonna get CoverGirl, and I'm like, oh man, when are they ever gonna restock their shelves? I mean, it's been weeks and they still haven't restocked them shelves. I go up by the register and there's a tote and it says CoverGirl, and I see a ton of CoverGirl, and I'm like, are you serious? There is a ton of CoverGirl stuff. So I just grabbed a couple things that were on the top from what I saw, because I'm like, we're gonna do a CoverGirl deal, and I'm happy I did find these. So the mascara was $6.99, and then I had the eyebrow pencils for $6.49. Now I wanted to use my 6 off of 20. You know what? That's the only one I probably did. Yeah. The 6 off of 20 CRT. So I'm like, okay, let's see what's a better deal. Using 2 of these and then the 2 $3 off coupons, or buying another product. So I bought 3 of them. I used the 6 off of 20 CRT. I used 3 $3 off insert coupons that we got today's inserts. Paid $5.47, but then you get a $6 extra care buck back when you buy 2 of them. Or no, is it spend 12? I can't remember if it's spend 12 or buy 2. I can't remember. But anyways, these come out to be a 53-cent moneymaker. So I got all 3 of these absolutely for free. So I was excited with that. Then I ended up getting the Revlon deal. So these were $5.49, and the eyeliner was $8.99. I had a 50% CRT. Now when you use those 50% CRTs, you cannot pay with extra care bucks, so you pay a little bit more out of pocket. So I ended up paying $9.98 for the 3 of these, but since I bought 3 of them, I get a $7 extra care buck. And I got a $3 rebate with Ibotta for the lip, and then I also got a $3 rebate for the eye. So my grand total came to a $3.01 moneymaker. So I got these all for free and I made a profit, which I was super excited for those. My cat's just like, hi everybody, I like to drive my mommy nuts. So got that. My total came to $10.16 for everything. I did use $19.01. Last week I gained 1 cent for those 2%. Okay, so it looks like it'll print out every time you shop the extra care 2%, or you can send it to your card. But I'm afraid if I send it to my card, will it send everything to my card or just the 2%? If you guys know that answer, please let me know. But yeah, I got 1 cent last week. This week I got 20 cents. But I did receive $22 back with extra care bucks. Paid $19.01, got back $22, and then I got $6 back with Ibotta. So my grand total came to $1.17 for 14 items at 8 cents each. So not a great haul. I mean, I got a couple things, especially I'm happy that my store is finally stocking CoverGirl. But yeah, I just didn't have all the CRTs that I wanted, and the CRTs that I had that were awesome, there's no sales to them with extra care bucks, so didn't want to do that. But anyways, I'm happy with what I got. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all next week. See you later. Bye-bye.